Hi, people. This is Philippine Atiga's channel, and I'm back with a new attempt on food illustration. Today, I'll be illustrating with Boga. I'll be using acrylic painting, which I had used for my previous illustration. For the first part of the illustration, I'm using cream color I derived from the mixture of less red and yellow and more white respectively. Although yellow and white should have done the job, but I crafted something deep, like I want a cream with a deep tone. That's what led to me adding a bit of red to just see how it is, and I think it came out good, in which I'll be applying it to all the focus points. For the tomatoes and the meats, I definitely like to apply yellow first and leave it to dry. As my tradition, I always leave my painting to dry before applying another paint on it. Here I am applying a more mixture of orange and brown on the bread for deepness. To achieve the crispy edge, I'm lining it with brown, but I think every step should be able to take the illustration to an expected end. For the lettuce, I believe it will look great to have a refreshing lemon green shade in the upper part, which comes from a mixture of yellow and green. And also, I understand that the lower parts always have a darker texture, which is the reason why I'm using green with hints of blue to make sure it look appealing for the shadow cast I observed in the reference. I am confident that using blue to highlight them will enhance an overall look. Returning to the wooden platter, let's apply touches of orange to the stripes and all the necessary areas. Leave it to dry, then we'll move to the other part that needs improvements. Now this getting to the final stage of the illustration. I'm adding more color where it's necessary. So here we go. Now we're finished and I believe it turned out beautifully. I welcome your thoughts as well on the illustration and my progress as a self-taught food illustration so far. Thank you so much. Your support will really make my day. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you soon.